Hi everyone. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. This 0 is same. Must be same. But we trying to talking on this 0 functions. So how do I try to explain it in a circle, right? Based on circle. Maybe here is 0. Maybe 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No. Maybe here is 0. So must be. Sorry. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe one another. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it must be this 0. So maybe here you start, here is finish. So this 0 is start. This 0 is finish. Yeah. Start, finish. What is difference? This is end equals 0, right? Beginning is 0, 0, end, final is nothing, completion is 0, right? Ends, arrival. The same place, just we just journey, tour, starting point, but also finishing point. So this 0 is what is that is returning to beginning point. Yeah. Truly, this is, physical place must be same, but God, no, just soul, spirituality place must be some difference from physical. What is difference? Maybe here start point. Here start point has a purpose to travel. So that at this time it's not just purpose is not completion, purpose beginning. So we must do some improv, and we have some planning in tours. Maybe this is 0 is creating place. creating place. Creating place. Nothing from nothing. Nothing from nothing. Here nothing is nothing, but this is nothing is beginning nothing. So in this time, this nothing time, a creator, creating, or nothing. But in nothing is what? Nothing. Nothing is here, right? Nothing. So that this nothing categorization is still here is beginning place. Beginning place. What is that? The starting place is creation of knowledge is unperimeterless. Furthermore, righteous soul living energy is also unperimeter. This is nothing. Yeah. So here is nothing. So we must be improbable. That is, this is something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something is. It must be what? Nothing is with soul. Something is body. So here is what is that? Source ends, but body beginning. Not end. Soul living. Soul is major to minor. Plus body. Yeah. So in this place, something is body is major. The zero is soul is only source because there is the body. This is only source. There is the body. So most of here is in the body. In the something places must be birth. In the something place 9 is must be die. So we must be die is crossing to zero or impossible crossing. Two kind of die. A die is to cross to zero. A die is fail to cross to zero. So here is 9 to 0 is really meaningful. Zero. What is difference? This 0 is creation knowledge is unperimeterless. Righteous living energy unperimeterless. Right. Here 0 is this is beginning nth is limit. This is changed. Nth is limitless. So here this zero is limitless of creation of knowledge and righteous living energy. Yeah, here, arrival. Here. This zero is from this 360-degree toward completions is what? Creation of knowledge is limitless. Righteous living energy is limitless. This is completion. This is completion. Say again, this is arrival point. This is zero. A person that toward to this from 0 to zeros. Yeah, this zero. Truly, in this zero is soul. Truly, this zero is soul. Soul is zero. Soul is nothing. Zero. But this soul is, in the soul level is difference. This level, we'll use this. Just limitless zero over creation of knowledge, righteous of energy. This is, completion of righteous soul living's eternity. Righteous soul living eternity. Condition clear. Righteous soul and creation of knowledge. So the eternity is in the place all of the souls are righteous living energy limitless, creation of knowledge limitless. Eternity place is shares time with others and help others and doing real love others. Yeah. This zero, finally, ends of zero is behavior is righteous soul living behaviors. Is this. It share time is to help others and doing real love others. Just in this place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, here is all behavior must be getting creation of knowledge. Getting, growing, to grow, righteous living, creation of knowledge, but also righteous soul living energy. Righteous living energy is eternity living energy. Righteous creation of knowledge is in the righteous living energy, righteous living places. All our souls are creation of knowledge is limitless. So in the places, in the righteous living in destination place, it is zero. Starting place and the arrival place in this place is what? Excitement and pleasure and interesting reasons. Yeah, in this place. truly so that real excitement is only righteous souls. As we not living righteous souls, there is any excitement, there is any pleasure, there is any interesting. To be excitement, pleasures, interesting, we must learn creational knowledge limitless, and we must gain the energy, righteous living energy limitless, so we can living in the righteous living destined places, in an eternity living places. How to live in excitement, pleasure, and interesting. So this zero is to not excitement, to not interest, to not pleasure. But this zero is to excitement, to pleasures, to interesting. This is differences. This zero differences. We just in this place, as co-elders, as co-elders, the creation of knowledge increasing, righteousness increasing, then in this place also feeling excitement and pleasures. If living is righteous souls, it is very important. In the world, United States, England, Canada, Austria, if someone read this lecture, then you will learn that this zero and this zero must be same. Thank you very much.